Hello everybody, it is Samantha and you are tuned into CasaKPOP. Today, as you can read from the title, I am going to be giving you something different. Usually I do K-pop related videos, and this time I wanted to do a K-beauty video because I have done K-beauty videos in my channel before. So I wanted to do a little more for you guys as far as content wise. You are going to be getting a K-beauty haul. I hope you enjoy this video. I have gotten these products. They're all right here. These right here. K-beauty makeup. All kinds of makeup right here. This is the face mask. This is gonna be a haul and then slash try on. I'm so happy to say that to the person that I got this from, I won a giveaway. It was by Sokobeatbeauty. If you know her channel, you know that she has done K-pop content in the past, and then now she's doing K-beauty, and I love her so much. I entered her giveaway and I couldn't believe that I won. So basically I had in my possession. The first thing I'm gonna do is show you products that I was given as far as the makeup. Who doesn't love a good K-beauty makeup? I love all types of brands. Brands that I normally stick to though are Etude House, Innisfree. Pony is another one that I love. Starting to branch out with a lot of other makeup that I'm willing to try. We're gonna start off first. Etude House's brush liner. It's called Drawing Show. Just these right here. Brush liner. Eyeliner, basically. Smooth, clean lines for stark definition. Really an eyeliner, and I love eyeliners. When it comes to Korean eyeliners and then American eyeliners, I definitely see a big difference. So I'm gonna take it out, and this is what it looks like. I prefer these eyeliners. Next one is a mascara. And it's from Innisfree, the Skinny Micro Cara. So with Innisfree, I love their skincare. I love their face mask. I'm so happy about Innisfree expanding. Have a shop in New York, Union Square. Now they have two more. New Jersey, which is where I am from, Garden State Plaza Mall. Now the recent one is Lexington Avenue. This is how it looks like right here. Okay, so this is how it looks like in the inside. Really skinny, and I've heard so much about this product. It's gonna be a doozy to even try out, and I'm so excited. The next one we have here, the same brand that I actually have gotten familiar with, and I wasn't familiar with it until KCON as of this year. I went to KCON NY 2018. I went for both days. I attended the convention this year because the last few years that I went, I attended both the convention and the concert. Unfortunately, I couldn't get tickets for both of the concerts or either of the concerts because I was like, oh my god, I had to attend. So I ended up seeing a lot of stars though in the convention because they had the Starlight Talk. This is definitely am familiar with the same. And this is their Eco Soul Kiss Button Lip Matte. I've heard about the same, and I know for a fact at 17, definitely the spokespeople of the same. They have face masks that I saw. I was stalking their Instagram actually. The same is definitely a store that I would definitely want to go to. They have one in New York, so I definitely will see after this baby right here. It's like so beautiful. I like it. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, it looks so nice. This is the color Red Warmer. So this red color looks so beautiful. So the last of the makeup is this cuteness. It's like, oh my god. When I first opened my package for this one, I was so happy. Heard of Lullaby because I've seen a lot of K-beauty YouTuber hates Faye. Joanne Kim who have tried Hulika. This is Lazy and Joy, and it's like a cupcake right here. It's so cute. I know who This is like a cartoon character. It's so cute. I'm gonna show you the inside. This is the inside. It has a mirror, and then it has all these colors right here. There's a red, shimmery color. There's like a nude color. There's another red. And then there's like a brownish color. Glittery shimmer one is like a red and gold. I have never tried this one, but I definitely will try it out and see how it is, because I've heard so much good things about Hulika. So here I am makeupless, and right now I just only put a little bit of concealer. Before that, I put on my Rose Foam Cleanser from KPOP. Now I am going to be putting my foundation from ELF. This is the foundation I usually use. It's nice. Keep on doing that until my skin is nice and covered. Definitely, it's a must as far as doing this makeup look. So I'm gonna keep on doing it, and then keep on the full coverage of my skin and make sure everything is all covered. And here goes one more, all the corners, and look, my face is nice. Next is my eyebrows. I'm gonna start shaping them nice and good for this look. Definitely want some sharp eyebrows. Right now I'm using NYX eyebrow pencil, and it is my favorite pencil to use, and you can see my eyebrows are nice and shaped. So now I'm gonna take the Hulika eyeshadow and start to do the makeup look. First, I'm going to use the dark red color and shape it across my eyelids and give it a bright look. So as you can see, I am doing it and I am spreading everything out. It's looking so nice. I love the mirror that comes with it. So I'm going to do the other eyelid, and it's nice and red, definitely nice and bright for the fall. And this is coming out so good, so I'm going to keep on doing that and to make sure both of them is even. And as you can see, it's starting to get very bright. Now I'm going to do the brown and put it on the corner of the lids so I could give it a dramatic look. And there it goes. Now I'm going to do the peach, and it's my favorite. This is going to look so nice. I love the peach pinkish color. It reminds me of a nude color, but it's so beautiful. So I'm gonna do it across the corners of the eyes and give it a nice soft look. And there we go. Now it's the shimmer, the red shimmer, and it is gonna be across, basically above the eye, and you can see it now. So it's nice, it's looking absolutely nice. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. So this will be interesting. I did my eyeliner. Now I'm gonna do the mascara. It is the Micro Cara from Innisfree. I'm gonna do it like that, and it's nice and smooth. Now it looks so nice. Now it's time for the matte lipstick, and it is from Stain. It is the warm red color, so I'm gonna put it on my lips as far as I can, and it's looking so nice. I love this red color. It's so bright, so bold. It's lovely for the look, and as you can see, I enjoyed putting on all these wonderful products. Just gonna talk about exactly what I thought about each product. Overall, I would say definitely I like the colors. I like the Hulika eyeshadow palette. It's so cute. You can do a lot of looks. So this is the look I chose for fall time, because it is the fall, so I was like, let's just do a fall look. As you can see here, I put some the dark red right here, and then there's a bit brown, and then on the top is, I thought it was like a pink color, but it looks like a peach color almost. So there's the black eyeliner right here, and then my mascara. One thing about the Innisfree mascaras, I'm loving it. And then the lip color for the same, I really like that one. I'm happy with my makeup, and definitely I'll be doing more looks with that palette for sure. Because I had my regular palettes that I use, American brands like NYX or like, you know, ELF. It's good to have a little bit of Korean makeup products, and it's definitely different. I love it. And this eyeliner, so awesome. Now I will be moving on to the fun part, and it is the nighttime care, which I will be using with the mask that I got. So stay tuned. This was my first time trying out Dermal's charcoal collagen essence mask. I never tried a charcoal mask. It was very different. Along with this goodie, a lot of these face masks actually. It's amazing how there's so many different types. There's gold, royal jelly, platinum, and pearl. On to the review for this dermal mask. This one I had like a different feeling. I could definitely smell the charcoal, and I could definitely feel the charcoal essence on my face. As you can notice, my face is glowing right now, so that is the one thing that I gotta say about dermal face mask. I have tried a lot of brands of face masks before, as far as Tony Moly, The Face Shop, Innisfree especially. This one, in comparison, I would say the only big difference is just the whole texture of the mask, and as well, as you can see, this is the after I put on the face mask, and I feel my skin is very elasticy. It's very tight, and this one in general, definitely dermal. If I had to give it a rating, I would say I would give it a 7. There's some things that are similar with other brands, essence thing that separates it from other brands. I'm gonna be giving the other ones a try. It's awesome. Thank you so much, Chelsea. All the products that are in this video basically was sent to me by Sokobeatbeauty. I love her so much, and I'm thankful to have received this wonderful package. YouTuber I look up to as far as KBeauty. I'm definitely gonna be using these face masks. You're looking for a mask that will definitely give you stunning glow. This one is definitely the one.